Are you fascinated by the rapid growth of astrology apps like Astrotalk? With over 30 million users and a consistent revenue surge, the astrology industry is skyrocketing, and you can be a part of it. In this video, we'll guide you on how to build your very own astrology app like Astrotalk, step by step, and make your mark in this booming market. Let's get started. Why build an astrology app? Before jumping into the how, let's look at the why. Astrotalk's revenue hit a whopping 659 Indian rupees crore in FY24, a growth of 133.6% compared to the previous year. With over 400,000 daily active users and ambitious expansion plans into markets like Canada and Europe, the potential for astrology apps is undeniable. Ready to tap into this goldmine? Here's how you can start. Step 1. Analyze the market. Understand what users are looking for in an astrology app. Dive into competitor strategies. Study user preferences and pricing trends. The more you know about your audience, the better you can serve them. Step 2. Hire the right development team. Partner with experts who understand your vision and can turn it into reality. At RichestSoft, we deliver top-notch apps tailored to your business goals. Step 3. Incorporate unique features. Make your app stand out by offering live astrologer consultations, daily horoscopes, personalized compatibility reports. Additionally, integrate APIs for real-time calculations to ensure your app delivers accurate and engaging services. Step 4. Focus on UX/UI design. Your app should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use calming colors and intuitive layouts. Incorporate astrology-themed icons to enhance the user experience. Step 5. Test, deploy, and maintain. Extensively test your app to ensure it runs smoothly. Launch strategically on app stores. Regularly update based on user feedback. A well-maintained app guarantees long-term success. How to monetize your astrology app. Unlock revenue opportunities such as in-app purchases, premium subscriptions, astrologer service platforms, targeted ads, exclusive content for paying users. What does it cost? Developing an app like Astrotalk can range between $70,000 and $120,000, depending on features and complexity. Optimize your budget with strategies like cloud services, agile methodology, MVP, minimum viable product, development. Conclusion: building an astrology app like Astrotalk is a journey, but with the right guidance and expertise, it's a journey worth taking. At RichestSoft, we help businesses turn ideas into reality with custom app development services. Ready to launch your app and transform the astrology industry? Contact us today, and let's make it happen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more business insights and development tips. See you in the next video.